Ngayong kalkulado dapat ang galawan natin dahil sa mahal ng gasolina. Kung trip ng barkada ay magkape tapos segue na sa inuman, magagawa nyo yan pareho sa isang 2-in-1 tambayan sa San Juan. Dadalhin tayo ni Lexi Gonzales sa isang micro-diner. Cafe sa ibaba at hidden bar naman sa taas.
Tagay! Hi, Food Explorers! It's Lexi and I'm back here sa ating Farm to Table. And now I'm here with Sir Mikel, founder and CEO of Mabuhay Cafe. And right now, we'll do a tasting of mga pastries and their coffee. Looks really good.
It is. I'm excited for you to try it. So we recently launched this one just yesterday. We call this the Mabuhay Spaghetti Joy.
Mabuhay Spaghetti. It's an homage to...
It's an homage to one of the biggest
yes,
fast food brands here in the
locally.
Philippines. So it has Filipino-style spaghetti inside. And then the sugar that you see, it's garlic, sugar, and butter.
It's like my childhood.
It is.
Fall into a croissant. Ang sarap. Crinkles.
Yes, crinkles.
Crinkles. Classic. Sa bakery.
Correct. It's spelled as crinkle kasi it's my recipe. It's our Filipino-style cookie, diba? Kung meron tayong mga panaderia, yan ang cookie version ng Pinoy. Super moist, soft, chocolatey, sweet, and
Still
it really
very
goes
Pinoy.
well with our coffee.
And sobrang lambot. Queen Saymada.
Yes. The usual na ginagawa ng mga cafes, palambutan sila ng ensaymada, diba?
Yeah.
Here, gagawin namin crispy and flaky. Para kakaiba.
Yeah. So good. Ayaw mo siyang nauubos.
Yes, correct. We go about, how many pieces? Around 120 pieces a week.
Wow.
And it's best paired with that salt foam latte.
Very undertoning lang yung milk nito and yung sweetness.
Correct. And
As compared to the richness ng flavor nito. So pang...
baliktad naman siya.
Yes, pang balance siya.
Second best seller namin. Siyempre, proud ang Pinoy sa ube.
Oh, yeah.
We have our own version of the ube. So we call it ube latik latte.
Actually, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng mga ganyan in a cafe.
Nice.
Oh. I love it! Hindi
Naisip
siya...
mo kagad summer.
Yeah. At saka the color. I love yung mga ganitong color, pastel.
We call it the white champorado latte.
Champorado!
And it has dilis on top.
What? This is dilis?
Candied, yes.
Candied dilis. The dilis is the aftertaste.
Yes.
Ang nakakuha ng attention ko now is the dilis aftertaste. But don't get me wrong, it's not malansa. It's just the actual flavor of the dilis that I can taste right now. Bukod sa we like the dilis aftertaste, di ba minsan gusto rin natin yung meron kang crunchy na nakakagat, di ba?
For texture, yeah. Correct. Hello mga food explorers. I will be inviting you here sa aming munting shop called Mabuhay Craft Coffee. We are found in A. Mabini Street, San Juan City. And then sa likod namin, merong pinto, aakyat kayo, meron kaming secret bar doon. Pangalan niya, Malagihay Cocktail Club.
After mag-chill sa kapihan, ready na si Lexi sa walwalan.
Hello! So we've transferred to a different part of this place. Connected pa rin siya sa cafe sa baba. It's just upstairs. It's hidden. It's called Mabuhay Cocktail Club. Bakit siya Malagihay?
It's kind of like a deep Tagalog term. So, probably your lolas and lolos would know. For some, it's like a little wet, a little dry. But for us, it's actually a little tipsy, a little buzz. So, you're not drunk, you're not sober. It's right in the middle. So, it's like the perfect balance in between. Because our concept actually is a neighborhood cocktail bar where, you know, we try to sit in between those fancy cocktail bars and your regular hangout spot. So the space is, technically it's like a living room, but we also invested a lot in our sound system. Para even if the music have good energy, people can still talk properly.
We'll be making drinks right now.
Yeah. Our banana con royal, basically inspired by banana con yellow. You're gonna start with your shaker. Yeah. Then you're gonna use a jigger.
Ako talaga yung gagawa?
Yes,
Okay,
of course.
okay.
You can grab the jigger, pick one.
The jigger.
Yeah.
Usually, pag may gantong klase ng alcohol.
Oh, pwedeng tanggero.
Oh.
Until the line.
Yan.
Pour it there.
Okay.
So, you have the gin, now you have lemon. The other side naman.
Okay.
Okay. So, you pour until that line naman. Then, this is, we call this a banana oleo. You can pour it until the hip. So, fill it up. So, we call it banana oleo. It's, the flavor is actually coming from banana skins. So, instead of throwing out our banana skins, we use it.
You know, shout out sa friend ko, you guys would like this. I know.
Then, this is egg whites. This is to make the cocktail fluffy. We have we call this a banana milk. So, this is made with saba, if you're familiar with saba.
Yeah.
So, it's
So,
a
ito
variety,
yun.
yeah,
Ito
so
na
it's a
yung-
variety of banana, plantains na we sit it with milk para it absorbs the flavor of saba. So,
Okay.
yeah, you can this. Then,
Ito na yung pinaka-essence. as in-
yeah. Then fill it up also. Until full. Go.
Okay.
Yeah. Pour it over.
Ooh.
Then lastly, medyo mad scientist ka, maybe put in 3 drops.
Wow, may ganito pa.
So this is our stabilizer naman for
Okay.
2, 3. There you go.
Okay.
And first, we're gonna shake it with 1 ice.
Mm-hmm.
Just to make sure it's flop. So you hold it here. Yan. And then one here. Then up and down lang. Shake it. Yan.
I think I've done this before, but this is way cooler.
Splash a little bit of Prosecco inside. And then pour until it fills up. You basically need to rest this for about 2 to 3 minutes in our freezer. And para mag-build up yung formation sa loob. And then you
Okay.
can top it up again para mag-fill up.
That's cool. Even the glasses, no? I remember may ganyan kami baso when I was a kid.
We try to make it as homey as possible, as familiar as possible for Filipinos.
Yeah.
So here you go. This is
Okay. This is after 2 to 3 minutes in the freezer.
Yeah. And then you can grab our bar spoon. Put a little bit hole in the middle. So you poke it up.
Okay.
Yeah, low. Yan.
There.
And then pour the whole milk dun sa pinuk.
Sa gitna.
Yes. Slowly. There you go. Now it turns to like a souffle. Perfect.
Wow.
Wow.
Ang ganda.
There you go. So now you have our Banana Con Royale. Let's go.
Good, guys!
How's it?
It's good.
Yeah.
It's really good, guys. Meron siyang hint of the alcohol, pero it's more banana.
Yeah. It's like banana milk.
Yeah. But I mean, you would still know na you're drinking a cocktail. I love it.
Same.